Sturmey-Archer single speed coaster brake disassembly. Clamp the hub in a vise on the right lock nut. Use two 23mm cone wrenches to remove the lock nut. And then the brake arm adjuster. Then the brake arm and left cone assembly, and the left ball cage assembly, and then turn the assembly over, and you will need to clamp the axle in an axle vise because there are no flats on the axle. And then use the ball ring spanner to remove the internals, and again clamp the axle in an axle vise. And then use a 16mm cone wrench and a 17mm to remove the lock nut. Then the right cone. Then the driver and ball ring come out together, and the dust cap is holding them together. So the dust cap comes off, and then the driver, ball retainer, and the ball cup. Then remove the brake actuator and the brake shoe and brake actuator assembly. The brake shoes come off, and this assembly, it is not necessary to remove the clip. And then you're done.